Hello, my name is Dr. Frank Shallenberger, and today I'm going to tell you the story of a very special patient. But before I start, have you ever thought about how your physical health could change with just one simple decision? Stay with me until the end because what I'm about to share could transform your well-being and energy. Somi Chimi Agojake came to see me. Like many of us, she was feeling exhausted and her energy was running low. She started noticing that her muscles were weaker and recovery after workouts was taking longer than usual. One of the things she told me was, Dr. Frank, it feels like my muscles are completely shut down, almost asleep. I knew exactly what was going on. Muscle loss is one of the most common things we experience as we age. On average, a person loses 30% of their muscle mass by the time they're 70. But the good news is this doesn't have to be permanent. And that's where the solution comes in. I recommended the Advanced Amino Formula, a unique blend of 8 essential amino acids that works like fuel for your muscles. This formula not only helped Jackie strengthen her muscles, but also sped up her recovery after workouts. And the results were impressive. Jackie felt like her muscles were finally waking up. She told me, I feel like my muscles are finally working again. I feel stronger, younger, and even my mood has improved. The Advanced Amino Formula is different from other protein sources. While whey protein, for example, turns into sugar in up to 83% of the cases. Our formula uses an exact proportion of the 8 essential amino acids to generate the necessary protein with zero waste. This makes all the difference when it comes to muscle recovery and energy boost and more. This formula isn't just for people who train. It also helps improve mood, boost concentration, and even makes your skin and hair look younger. In other words, the benefits go beyond what you imagine. With the Advanced Amino Formula, you'll strengthen your muscles, improve recovery, post-work, boost energy, prevent injuries, and even improve your mood. Plus, if you suffer from fatigue or severe exhaustion, like Jackie, you'll notice a significant improvement. So, are you ready to take this step for your health? If you want to learn more or try the Advanced Amino Formula, leave your comment down below. Say, I want it, and we'll help you achieve a stronger, healthier, and more energetic body. Don't waste time. The moment is now. I hope you've been inspired by Jackie's story, and I hope you make the right decision for your health. I'll be waiting for your comment and see you in the next video.